Hello, my wonderful subscriber, my friends, and my awesome fans. Welcome back to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, jewelries, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear viewers, this is your host Asad Shah. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. My dear viewers, we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends and viewers, in this video, I am gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of keyhole, lace work, blouses and shirts designs for lovely women. My dear viewers, these blouses are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. And these blouses are so comfortable, elegant and easy to wear, and brilliantly created keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. So friends, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, these styles are not only fits with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that is special about your personality. So friends and my lovely viewers, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. These beautiful styles are bound to give ideas for your own outfit, no matter your celebration theme. At our channel, we are here to help you navigate this overwhelming world of stuff. So my dear friends, our dresses are guaranteed to get you all the stares. So get them before they are gone. Trust us. My dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys. This is your host Asad Shah.